Now we will see based on the new marketing definition, there are three ways how the sales managers roles or director of sales and marketing roles are expanding. They must manage a customer relationship. They are going there, their main number one responsibility to identify the customers, maintain a relationship through understanding their value proposition, understanding their value needs, communicating that value needs and delivering that value, getting the organization to deliver those value to them. So it's gonna be by achieving a dialogue with the customers, a regular dialogue, personalized treatment to the valued customers, and increasing the customer retention. How many people are going to be repeat customer in the business and how we are going to do that. So now the sales managers are not only responsible for selling, they are also responsible for creating a sustainable business in the organization. So every marketing plan need to cover these three major aspects: how we are going to manage the relationship with the customer, how we are going to communicate with them, doing the personalized services, and also increasing the customer retention. The second thing the managers need to do is to serve as customers consultant. The customers are there to solve a problem, especially when it comes to B2B customers. The leisure customers are there to have an experience. So the sales responsibility is to build a relationship, to have a mutually profitable partnership with the customers, and also encourage the salespeople to go beyond selling and do as a service, as a consultant or a partner. So the sales managers does not have to be only the sales. Usually in the hotels or traditional sales, you have, let's say you have a meeting request, you go there, you sell the contract, and then that's about it. While the more successful salespeople which I have seen in my career usually involves not only until the contract but also understanding their needs, suggesting them alternative solutions, going beyond sales the responsibilities until they actually get the delivery. So even though the event execution is the job of the event executive, sales managers usually are present at that point of time to make sure that whatever the customer expectations we had are going to be delivered. The third thing is managing the hybrid sales force. So what is the hybrid sales force? Nowadays we are working with telesales, telecom workers, e-commerce people, direct mailers, manufacturers, agents, our agents, brokers, direct customers. So we are having a multiple roles of the customer. Even the customers also serve as a brand ambassador when they are reviewing our hotel on the websites, on the TripAdvisor or other websites. So the sales people, the sales managers, the person who are responsible for sales function in the hotel has to manage these all type of sales people. Our direct sales people, operational sales people for upselling, customers for doing the reviews and recommendations, agents so that they can sell our hotel properly, meeting brokers, wedding planners. So we have to work with the multivariant sales task force.